Welcome back to PS Marvelous Spoken English. It is easy to follow. So far we have finished basic grammar, and today let us see what is meant by gerund. Gerund is a verbal noun. It is formed from a verb. It does the work of a noun. Let us see some examples. I am fond of painting. Smoking is bad for health. In these sentences, painting and smoking formed from the verb paint and smoke, but they perform the function of nouns. Smoking is bad for health. Here, smoking acts as noun. We can use gerund as the subject of the verb. Example, walking is a good exercise. Here, walking is gerund and it acts as the subject of the sentence. Another example, seeing is believing. Seeing is gerund, it acts as the subject of the verb. Gerund is also used as the object of the verb. We like playing outdoor games. Here playing is object of the verb. And then everybody started singing at once. Singing is gerund. It is the object of the sentence as well as object of a verb. It can be used as the object of a preposition also. The watchman prevented us from entering the office. In short prohibitions, எதையும் மறுப்பதற்கு கூட நாம் மிகச் சிறிதாக gerund சென்டென்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். No talking, no spitting on floors are also used as simple nouns. Parting are always sad. பிரிந்து போவது என்பது எப்பவும் கவலைக்குரியது. Partings are always sad. Meetings are usually noisy. இதில் partings, meetings என்பதெல்லாம் nouns. It is used as gerund also. We can also use gerund in the following ways. There is no use of crying. I can't bear cheating. So from the above sentences, you can come to know what is gerund. Gerund is formed from the verb and it does the work of a noun. Hope you understand. If you can make some sentences using gerund, you can give in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Some more examples. Stop telling lies. I like swimming in a pool. Wasting time is foolish. Living without water is impossible. Finding faults with others is easy. இதில் telling, swimming, wasting, living, finding இவையெல்லாம் gerunds.